What's the meaning of contributory? Contributory. Contributory.
Contributory. Contributory. The term contributory refers to something that is involved in or responsible for causing a particular outcome. It suggests that there is a direct relationship between the thing in question and the result that occurs. For example, in the context of an insurance policy, a contributory clause might require that multiple factors contributed to the occurrence of an event in order for coverage to apply. Overall, the term contributory emphasizes the idea of causation and implies that a particular action or situation played a role in bringing about a particular outcome.